Are you struggling to format your R-Shiny data table? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to show two decimal places and center align all your data in a rendered data table. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your data doesn't look the way you want it to, especially when you're trying to present it clearly. Many users face this issue, and it's completely valid. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to show only two decimal places for all data in their table and center align everything. They provided some code, but it didn't work as expected. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's going on here? The issue often arises from how R-Shiny handles data formatting in tables. We need to ensure that the formatting options are correctly set in the rendered data table function. And stick around. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will make your data tables look even better. You won't want to miss it. To format the data table correctly, the user should first ensure that the data is rounded to two decimal places. This can be done using the round function in R. The user needs to apply this function to the relevant columns of their data frame. Next, the user should modify the rendered data table function to include the updated data frame. This ensures that the rounded values are displayed in the table. Now, to center align all the data in the table, the user can use the class name option within the rendered data table function. This allows for custom CSS styling. Finally, the user should ensure that the necessary CSS is included in their Shiny app to apply the center alignment. This can be done by adding a style tag in the UI. Fun fact, did you know that R was created by statisticians? It's designed to make data analysis easier, but sometimes it can feel like a puzzle. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the DT package in your Shiny app. They recommend defining a server function where you can render the data table. This approach utilizes the data table function and the format round function to display two decimal places for specific columns. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the documentation for the latest functions and options available in R-Shiny. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. Your R-Shiny data table should now display two decimal places and be center aligned. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on R-Shiny.